Friends, I am Prakash from 2nd M.Sc Biochemistry, KSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Tiruchendur. Today we see about urine concentration and waste elimination. First of all, urine concentration. Urine concentration refers to the adjustment of the composition of urine, particularly it is water content, to maintain the body water and electrolyte balance. The process of concentration urine occurs mainly in the renal tubes, especially in the loop of Henle and the collecting ducts. The mainly 8 steps of involved in the urine concentration: filtration, proximal convolution tube, loop of Henle, distal convolution tube, collecting ducts, ADH regulation, concentration urine, antidiuretic effect. Process is filtration. Filtration begins in the glomeruli where blood is filtrated to from the fluid as known as filtrated. Filtrate contains water, electrolyte, glucose and waste products. Convolution tube. Reabsorption of essential substance glucose, amino acid and most of the filtrate water occurs PCT processing. The fluid leaving is the PCT is known as concentrated due to the reabsorption of water. Henle is consists of a descending limb and ascending limb. As a fluid descent, water is absorbed concentration of the fluid. The ascending limb actively transport ions and creating the osmotic gradient. Convolution tubule. The DCT is adjusts the concentration of ion in the fluid by reabsorbing or secreting them. Fifth one, collecting ducts. The collecting ducts play a critical role in the fine turning urine concentration. Then ADH regulation. ADH is released by a pituitary gland in response to the signals from the hypothalamus which monitor blood osmolarity. Concentration urine. Under the influence of ADH, more water is reabsorbed from the filtrate in the collecting ducts. The final urine and leave collecting the ducts is concentrated with higher osmolarity compared in the initial filter. Final step is antidiuretic effect. The antidiuretic effect is of ADH reduce urine volume and increase its concentration, helping to the body conserve of water. And then waste elimination. The excretory system is responsible for eliminating waste product from the body and maintaining proper balance of water and electrolytes. It involves several organs with the kidney playing a central role in waste elimination as simplified overview. The mainly 12 steps of involved in the waste elimination: kidney, filtration, reabsorption, secretion, concentration, uterus, bladder, urethra, liver, lungs, sweat glands, gastrointestinal tract. The kidney are the primary organ of the excretory system. They filter blood to remove waste product and excess substance producing urine. And filtration. The blood containing waste products enter the kidney through the renal arterial. In the kidney, tiny blood vessels called glomeruli filter the blood, creating a fluid known as filter. Reabsorption. Essential substance such as glucose, electrolyte and reabsorption of the filtration back into the bloodstream. Reabsorption occurs in the renal tubes. Secretion. Additional of products and substances are actively secreted from the blood into the renal tubules to be eliminated in urine. Fifth one, concentration. The concentration of urine is adjusted in the loop of Henle and collecting ducts. Water is reabsorbed and the urine becomes more concentrated. Uterus. Uterus are muscular tubes that transport urine from the kidney to the bladder. The bladder stores urine until it's ready to be expelled from the body. Urethra. The urethra is the tube through which urine is expelled from the bladder out of the body through of urination. Liver. The liver processing play a role is wasted eliminated by the process and detoxifying substance. It converts to some waste products into from the can be excreted by other organs. While the primary role of the lungs is gas exchange, they as play a minor role in eliminating volatile substance. Sweat glands. Sweat glands in the skin excrete water, salts, and some waste products through sweat. Gastrointestinal tract. The gastrointestinal tract eliminates undigested food and metabolic by the product through feces.